Bangsamoro, officially the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao. BARM consists of 6 provinces which are Basilan, Lanao del Sur, Maguindanao del Norte, Maguindanao del Sur, Sulu, and Tawi-Tawi.
Top 5 attractions in the region. Bangsamoro is a vibrant mix of cultures deeply rooted in Muslim traditions. First off, the Shikari Malmakda Mosque is located in Barangay Tubig, Indangan, Sinomol, Tawi-Tawi. Next is the Sangay Siapao Island Resort, considered by many as the Little Maldives of the South. It now stands to be one of the leading ecotourism products of the Tawi-Tawi to the world. Lake Lanao in Lanao del Sur is the largest lake in Mindanao and second largest lake in the whole country. It is also considered as one of the 17 ancient lakes in the world. Tawi-Tawi is regarded as the biggest producer of seaweed in the Philippines, gaining the title of Seaweed Capital of the Philippines, and this is where Bongo Peak or Bonbongo is located. A scared mountain, the popular hiking destination offering panoramic views of Tawi-Tawi and surrounding island.
Unique characteristics of people. The Moro people are an umbrella term of ethnic groups who are mainly Muslim. The Maranaos and Iranun from a large portion of the region's population. The Maguindanaons are the primary population in Bangsamoros Special Geographic Area in Socsarjan Region, Province of Cotabato. The Tausug, Yakan, and Sama peoples are the main groups in the Solo Archipelago. Language or dialect. The Moro and Lumad speak their native languages. Non-native languages spoken are Ilocano, Chabacano, Iligaynon, Cebuano, and Tagalog, of which the latter two are the lingua franca.
Regatta Lepa Festival in Tawi-Tawi is a local water festival which displays the interesting tradition and customs of Bajau Laot tribe. This festival is known as the Sea Gypsies, a festival that celebrates the ethnic group's unique nomadic way of life. Sharif Kabunsuan Festival in Cotabato City celebrates the arrival of Sharif Kabunsuan, an Arab Malay missionary who introduced Islam to Mindanao. The festival features cultural presentation, fluvial parades, and traditional dances. Sagayan Festival in Maguindanao. This festival features the Sagayan dance, a traditional war dance of Maguindanao and Maranao people. The festival showcases the region's rich cultural heritage through dance, music, and elaborate costumes.
Pastil is a popular Filipino pack rice dish made with steamed rice wrapped in banana leaves with dry-shredded beef, chicken, or fish. Originally from Maguindanao Province in the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Maguindanao, BARM, Philippines. Sati, grilled squeakers of chicken or beef served with spicy peanut sauce and rice, commonly found in Tausug cuisine. Teola Itom, a black soup made with beef or goat flavored with burnt coconut, traditionally from the Tausug people. Pianggang, another version of grilled chicken, this time marinated with turmeric and other spices, popular among the Maranao people.